Hi, welcome back to my channel, Neil's Favorite. It's time for cooking again. That's my niece. This is what we call
cassava cake. It's I don't know what they call that. It's a cassava.
okay.
I baked it with a lot. This is a dessert, so we have to bake it. The others, they don't put, I think, this makapuno, but with me I put it just to add, taste. We'll see. It's my first time to cook it. I'm just experimenting. That's why I did not show the recipe yet. If I made it good, then maybe I can share. I have to experiment. This is the toppings when it's almost cooked. This is like glutinous rice, condensed milk, and a cheese, and 1 egg. That spreading on top of it, so it will not be dry. So this is, I put this is the makapuno. It's like coconut something, but it's a young coconut. Makapuno, I don't know how to translate that. Okay. Preheat the oven. It's already heat. Then we're gonna put this one there. All right.
For how many minutes?
I don't know yet because I'm still experimenting. So I always go for 120 degrees or 130 because I don't know yet. So we'll see you later. Okay? So when it's cooked a bit, then we're gonna put the toppings. Alright. Good night.
Ayan na, malulito na.
Painitin na lang natin.
Sarap na.
Alright. Pwede na siguro to. Check
Ready
natin.
to serve now. Oh, looks like delicious. Careful.
Ay, init. Hot.
Wow, sarap nito.
Let's see.
What do you call this?
Cassava cake.
Cassava cake. This is cassava cake.
Yes. Let's just try
Just
first.
cut it.
Bismillah. Looks like alright.
Sarap niya na.
Looks like it's cooked
Okay.
already.
Luto na talaga.
Huh?
It's cooked already. It's been a long time. What do you think?
Well, you never know.
Ayan,
Yeah,
oh,
luto
halata,
na
masarap
siya.
yan. Masarap pa.
For the
Ano nga?
first time.
Magalaw.
Luto siya.
Yan, sige. Sige, kuha pa dun. Get more. One more. Yeah, one more
Ano ba
for
yan?
me. It's not enough. Why only one?
Alright, as you wish.
And then you will come back again. Give me now. That's
Ah.
better. I like
For the
it.
first time.
I like it.
Perfect.
Look delicious. You taste it.
Yeah.
Try mo muna.
Wow.